Hey, what's up guys, Amlan here. In this video we're gonna do this unboxing for this Realme Buds wireless. As you can see, this is the box itself. I got this package from Amazon. It's being sold in both in Amazon and Realme website. I would be giving the link for this earphones from where you can buy from Amazon, so check the link in the description. So in this video I'm gonna just do a quick unboxing and show you what are the contents available in this box. So as you can see, this is a sealed box. So without further ado, let's start the video. But before that, if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, make sure you're subscribing to this channel because I keep making content like this. And also, if you're liking this video, give this video a thumbs up and let's get started. So as you can see, this is the box itself. As you can see at the front of the box, it's mentioned Realme, and this is how the wireless earphone looks, and it also says Realme Buds Wireless Realme Sound Unwired. And if you take a look at the back of the box, some of the specification like seamless connection, 11.2 bass boost driver and 12 hours of playback and Bluetooth 5.0, this kind of features are mentioned, including it's sweatproof. So this is how the box look. Although the price quoted here is 1999, if you buy it from Amazon or the Realme website, it has been sold in India in 1799. As I said earlier in the video, I would be giving the link in the description, so please check the description, so from where you can buy it from Amazon. So as you can see, this is a sealed box itself. So I'm just gonna open the box. So let me see what else do we get in the box. So opening up the first thing, I guess we'll get the earbud itself. So there's nothing in this box, that's basically a cover, and this is how we get the earphones. So let me just open this. So as you can see, this is a wireless earphone itself. This is the neckband kind of a style that we are getting, and also this doesn't look, it's metal, but it's the quality looks really good, and also this wire quality is really good, as I think so. And also, as featured, this is a magnetic earphone that you're gonna get. The good thing about this Realme Earbuds is if you just tap it like this, if your music is playing, it would get stopped, and to turn on the music again, you just have to do like that. So this feature works really well. In just a minute we're gonna test that. I have a phone here, so we'll just try to connect this Bluetooth earphone with my phone and we'll check how that works. So this is what we get, and let's say apart from this earphone, what else do we get in the box? Okay, so there's one more box that we get here. Within this box we get, this is Realme Buds Wireless User Guide. This is user guide that we get, nothing apart from that. Some extra ear tips and a micro USB cable to charge your earphone. This is where you can put your charger and charge the earphones like just like that. So as you can see, this is the earphone itself. We have a controller here, so within this controller we get this plus and minus button through which we can also increase the volume and decrease the volume, and also this R button, also we can play and pause the music, and also we can take calls with the help of this. And also let me now show you how we can pair this Bluetooth earphone with my smartphone. So I have a smartphone here, I have turned on the Bluetooth. Let me show you the process how we can pair this Bluetooth earphone. So as you can see, when I turned on the Bluetooth, it is showing a blue color LED blinking. So let me just focus on the smartphone. As you can see, it's showing the Realme Buds Wireless. So if I click on this, it will try to pair. At the same time, your blue LED would be glowing. It says connected for making calls and media playback. As you can see, battery is 100%. So good thing is that it will show you the percentage of battery that it has, and once it is connected, the LED will be gone. So this is how you can connect your Bluetooth earphones to this smartphone. So make sure that these buds, wireless magnetic buds, are not attached to each other. So if it is attached, it would not show the earphones to this Bluetooth section. So I had to unpair this again and do this pairing. This is how we can connect your Realme Earbuds to the smartphone. And as you can see, this is a magnetic attach. So if you latch this, your Realme Buds would show that it is disconnected. So again, if you open this, again it should come up in the blue list. As you can see, it's showing that it's connected. Now if I just latch this again for one more time, so it would be disconnected automatically. As you can see, so it is disconnected now. So this is how you can connect and disconnect your Realme Earbuds. So then again, this is just an overview video for this Realme Earbuds. If you want a review for this wireless earbuds, let me know in the comment section. I'll try to make a dedicated video on this Realme earbuds after using this earphone probably for 1 or 2 weeks. Also, I have a different wireless earphone from Boat, that is Boat Stone Rocker 170 or Boat Stone, I don't remember the model exactly, but I'll try to make a comparison video between this Realme Buds and the Boat wireless earphone that I have. So then again, that's it for this video. That's kind of a quick look and overview of this Realme earphone. As I said, the link will be there in the description. From there you can buy this earphone. Then again, that's it for this video. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up, and also if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, I would love to have you subscribe. Then again, you guys have a great day. Bye bye.